Hello everybody, this is Henan Feitake Food. We are professional producing the dried ginger, onion, garlic, and dried vegetable and fruits. And today we will show you one of our featured product, the dried ginger whole. This product is made from the high quality ginger, and the appearance of the ginger whole is very neat. The size is evenly sized. The color is slightly yellow and bright. The taste is spicy and original. The moisture content is low, about less than 8%, and the shelf life is long, can reach 24 months. No any additives, no any preservative residues. Very safe and healthy.